How to use Instagram story filters and effects like a pro. Well, using Instagram story filters and effects like a pro involves moving beyond default options to curate a specific branded and high quality aesthetic. Professionals often use curated, saved filters to maintain consistent, visually appealing stories, leveraging tools like the effect gallery to find unique, non-generic effects. So you can browse the effect gallery, head over to your stories, select the particular image, or you can select image or any particular video, right? Then what you can do is you can browse here. You can see the effects tab. You can tap on it, the filters tab here. So you can see browse effects option, tap on browse effect. Once you select effects, you can see styles. You can prompt here for real time, fashion, locations, seasonal. So I'll select here for real time, and you can see here black and various filters. So you want to check out those particular filters. Now you can also use the colleague option on Instagram. This way you can add multiple pictures and select cutouts and such. So you can select frame as well here, so you can see this way. So hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe.